If you're wondering how to use Mailchimp's RSS feed automation to take your email marketing to the next level, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to set it up and make your emails work automatically for you. The best part? You can start using Mailchimp completely free with our exclusive bonuses. Check the link below to get started. Now, let's jump right into it. Mailchimp's RSS feed automation is a game changer for anyone who regularly updates their blog or website with fresh content. Instead of manually creating emails each time you post, Mailchimp allows you to automate the process so your subscribers always stay up to date with your latest posts. Imagine not having to spend time crafting every single email. It's all done automatically. First thing you'll need to do is connect your RSS feed to Mailchimp. This is super easy. Just grab the URL of your RSS feed from your website or blog, then head to Mailchimp and create a new campaign. Choose the RSS campaign option and paste that URL where it prompts you. If you're not sure where to find your RSS feed, it's usually something like www.yoursite.com/feed. It'll automatically pull in your blog posts for future emails. Next thing, you'll need to set the frequency of your emails. Do you want to send an email every time you post something new? Or maybe prefer a daily or weekly digest of your latest posts? The choice is yours. Set the frequency and Mailchimp will make sure your subscribers get the content on time every time. The third thing is choosing a template. Mailchimp gives you plenty of pre-made email templates that are perfect for showcasing your blog posts. These templates are designed to look great, so all you have to do is drop in your RSS feed content, and Mailchimp will take care of the rest. You can even customize these templates to fit your brand or style, which makes your emails look professional and polished. The fourth thing you should know is how to add dynamic content to your emails. Mailchimp allows you to include merge tags within the body of the email, which means you can personalize each email with the subscriber's name, or even use custom fields you've added to your email list. You can make each email feel more personal and targeted to your audience, which helps build a stronger connection with them. Next, let's talk about testing. Before you send out your first automated RSS email campaign, it's always a good idea to test it. Mailchimp makes this easy. You can preview the email and send a test to yourself to make sure everything looks right. This ensures there are no mistakes or formatting issues before your subscribers get the email. Now that you've got everything set up, it's time to turn on your RSS feed automation. Once everything looks good, hit the Start Campaign button and let Mailchimp take over. From here on out, every time you publish new content, Mailchimp will automatically send it to your subscribers, making your email marketing effort-free. If you want to get started today, you can sign up for Mailchimp using the link below and get access to our exclusive extended free trial. It's a no-brainer if you want to save time and grow your email list with minimal effort. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, remember to check out that link for your free trial and start automating your email marketing with Mailchimp's RSS feed automation.